If you have ever wondered whether it's technically possible to see employee screens without them noticing, yes, it is. In this video, I'll show you step by step how live screen viewing works on company-owned PCs. We'll talk about the technical side and also why you must always respect your local laws and policies, because this is very important before you even think about using this kind of software. Please take legal advice, make sure you're allowed in your country for your use case, for your specific use case, if you're allowed to use this kind of software. So let's jump into it. So if you wanted to secretly view employee screens on company PCs, you need to install on each of the PCs that you want to see the live screen remotely a small piece of software that's called Wolfeye. Yeah, I will show you where you can download it from wolfeye.co. Yeah. So you install it, and after you install it, you will get a link to your dashboard like this. This is the link to the demo dashboard, and a similar link you will get, of course. In your case, your password will not be displayed. It's just here displayed so that you could also visit this website. You enter the password and you enter the password into the dashboard, and will see for the computers that you have installed Wolfeye, the live computer screen for each of the computers. So again, this is a demo dashboard, and that is why you see here dummy pictures. But in reality, you will see the live screen of these individual computers. So in your case, you will see what the user is doing on that computer, on that computer, on that computer. You could change the settings to 2 columns so you see bigger screens, or let it at 3 columns so you see more screens. And you can even right mouse click on one of these computers where you read live, right mouse, open in a new tab, and we'll see that particular screen in a big for the whole screen, so to speak, to see exactly what happens there. And you can even enable a screenshot history for any of these computers. For example, this right mouse click on this history link, open in a new tab, and these are dummy pictures, but in reality, every 5 minutes a picture is a screenshot is saved, so you can check what has been done throughout the day. Yeah. So this is how it works. So if you would like to install Wolfeye on your computer, come to our website wolfeye.co. Wolfeye.co, put it into English, and you hit these 14 days free trial button. You hit it and can book a live demo with me. A live demo with me, because we're probably in different time zones. You select a date and the time, yeah. Enter your name, email, phone number, and so forth and so on. This will make sure that we both have time. I speak English, Spanish, German, and Portuguese. And in this demo session, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will give you access to my dashboard. So you not only see these dummy pictures, you will see my live screen, so to speak, so that you know exactly what you will get if you install it on your computers. The next step in this demo session will be that we install it. I guide you through the installation for 1 or 2 of your computers, and this will let you install it. You will be able then to install it on your remaining computers after I guide you. So I sent you the download link to Wolfeye, and the file that you will download is this setup file here. Where is it here? This is the file. So I guide you through the installation, send you the download link. You download it. This is the download file. You open, and the installation wizard opens. You hit install, and it installs. You hit finish, and that runs the software. This is the control window. And the only last step you must do to monitor that particular computer is you must hit 2 buttons. The green button that says share screen, you hit it. It's already sharing the screen, and the blue button that says stealth mode. You hit it and it hides, it puts itself into stealth mode. So that's basically how it works. By the way, the installation path is C users public documents. It creates this folder W, and here the application is kernel 11. So that's the application. So that's how it works. So if you would like to test it for free within a few weeks, come to our website, book a live demo on wolfeye.co, and I'll be happy to meet with you. See you in the next video.